Hey, it's Steve from Flowmaster. Today we're in the shop. We got this fun little project today. We got a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. We're gonna get rid of this big old muffler here. We're gonna put on the new Outlaw series muffler. This is gonna be fun. Let's get started. This is a little tricky part. You gotta wiggle this thing off. Okay, out with the old. We'll go ahead and put the new one on. Make sure it's level. Pretty darn good. Yeah, I'm marking the tailpipe. I know how far each tip needs to go in. They're nice and even. Okay, that concludes the installation of the Flowmaster Outlaw system for the Jeep JK. This was an easy installation. It only took about 30 to 45 minutes. There's only one clamp that held on that stock muffler along with the two hangers. And then your stock muffler just comes right off. This one goes right in, and it gives a great, awesome, aggressive look to the vehicle with these nice black ceramic tips. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and happy off-roading. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.